Place a metal plate over a long screw. Then layer for steel wires on top of the plate. After placing 2 layers of wire, tighten them firmly. Just like that, your homemade wire grinding tool is ready. Tie a cable tie to duct tape. Then trim the excess diagonally. It makes duct tape much easier to use. No scissors needed anymore. Want to tightly connect to water pipes? First, tie rubber bands to both ends. Then cut out the middle of a mesh plastic bottle with a knife. Finally, use a hot air gun to bond the plastic securely. Got a stripped screw you can't remove? Just use a rubber band to easily solve it. Tight water pipe won't budge? Use a wrench and a piece of rope. Tie the rope to the wrench. Wrap it around the pipe once. Apply a bit of force and it will loosen. Screw to big, wrench to small. Here's what to do. This trick will help you solve it easily. Use an adjustable wrench. You can customize the size freely. Thick pipe and locking pliers not working. Grab 2 wrenches, one large, one small. Lock them against the pipe like this. With a little force, it loosens easily. Cut a rectangular hole in the center of the pipe. A rubber handle fits perfectly as makeshift pliers. Cut the shower rod from a hard hat. Attach it to an electric screwdriver. Bend it after grinding and cutting. Now you have a simple steel bar beater tool. Insert a fish scale into the pipe. Squeeze the plastic. Slide it into a heat shrink tube and warm it to secure. Then blow hot air to bend the soft pipe. Insert a light bulb. Hold the edges to shape and cool the plastic. Right here, insert a rubber ring. Now you have a clever bulb remover. Really useful. Brilliant. Attach the cap of a rivet to a drill bit. Use pliers to pinch and secure it. When drilling wood like this, you can get perfect depth every time. Fix it to a wrench. Add 2 bolts. Drill a hole into the lower handle. Cut out a slot. Then over the hole. Fix a bike chain. Now the wrench can act as a clamp. It can even help open a blender lid. Place 2 metal rings on a screw. Then weld a steel bar between them. Grab 2 more screws. Weld them onto the metal rings. One goes in the middle. Weld another ring to it. Insert into a bearing. Tighten the top screw to hold it in place. Now you have a tool for removing bearings. Super practical. Grab a plastic bottle and place it under a sunshade net. Screw the cap onto the bottle. Use a soldering iron to melt a small hole in the cap. Then cut the bottle. Insert a rope through the cap. Now you can secure the shade net tightly. You must try this fruit picking tool. First, draw a triangle on a plastic bottle. Cut it out. Attach it to a stick. Secure the bottle's mouth with tape. Now it's a super handy fruit picker. Great for collecting fruit. Use it whenever you need it. This ancient rope not for bottles still works today. You only need 1 piece of string, and you can tie a bottle securely. Very simple to learn. Watch once and you'll get it. Learn this technique, and you'll never struggle with carrying bottles again.